Ever notice how most gardens give you a big harvest and then suddenly go quiet? One week I'm picking fresh lettuce every day. Next week, nothing but empty soil and weeds, acting like they pay rent. Here's the truth. Most folks learn the hard way. A garden doesn't fail from lack of effort. It fails from lack of timing. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to keep your garden producing steady food all season long without turning your life into a full-time farm job. It's called succession planning and harvesting. Once you get it, your garden stops being feast or famine. Simple idea 1. Plant in small waves. Instead of planting everything at once, I plant every 10 to 14 days. Think lettuce, think radishes, think spinach, think carrots. I don't plant a whole field of lettuce. I plant a short row this week, another row 2 weeks later, and so on. Result, the harvest spreads itself out. No overload, no empty gaps. Simple idea 2. Fast crops first. Start with the sprinters, radishes, leaf lettuce, spinach, green onions. These are on your plate in 25 to 45 days. While those are growing, I already have the next wave seeded, so as one row finishes, another is right behind it. Simple idea 3. Mix in longer crops. Add tomatoes, cucumbers, green beans, peas, carrots, basil, dill. These keep feeding you while the fast crops rotate in and out. It turns the garden into a slow, steady rhythm instead of a one-time event. Simple idea 4. Don't waste the early bounty. When that first wave hits, it can hit hard. So I freeze spinach after a quick blanch. I freeze beans after a quick blanch. I dry basil. I dry dill. I share extras with neighbors. I stash carrots in cool sand. I stash carrots in a simple cellar-style bin. A full harvest is a blessing, but only if you manage it. Let's keep it simple. Here's what matters. Plant in small waves. Start with fast crops, radish. Start with fast crops, lettuce. Mix in longer growers, tomatoes. Mix in longer growers, beans. Preserve what you can't eat right away, and always replant any empty space. If you want the easiest starting point, plant a short row of lettuce or radishes this week. Keep a simple note, and if this helped you see gardening a little clearer and a little calmer, tap the like button, subscribe, and stick around. More simple gardening wisdom is on the way, and I'll see you in the next one.